Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside your design. Click a text box or add one with the text tool. Open the font dropdown to reveal all available fonts. Canva previews each font live as you hover so you can judge weight and style quickly. Once done, use the search field to jump to a family or filter by category such as sans, serif, or handwritten to narrow choices. This saves time and prevents scrolling through the entire list when you need a specific look. Now customize the font's properties to fit your layout. Change size, letter spacing, and line height to control readability and rhythm. You can apply weight changes, italics, uppercase transformation, and color to create hierarchy. Make sure to check contrast against backgrounds for accessibility. Use the effects menu to add shadow, lift, or outline for emphasis. And remember that subtle adjustments often look more professional than extreme changes. Preview at actual size to confirm balance and alignment. If you need a brand font, upload a licensed TTF or OTT file and brand kit. You must have the rights and grant team access when required. Once uploaded, apply it across templates to keep consistency, then align and group text elements before exporting. When you export, choose the correct file type and resolution for print or web. If colors or spacing look off in the final file, reopen the design and check font substitution or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.